We're back in the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. We've tested this car on the road where it showed its mettle against the likes of the BMW M3 and the Mercedes C63S. Then we took it on track where its true colours really shone through. But today, it faces its ultimate challenge. This was actually a crash that happened between, I believe this is a BMW M2. Fucking hell, man. We're getting flashed. I don't want to die, I don't want to die, I don't want to die. Oh, it's f***ed, isn't it? It is actually f***ed.
What are you doing there, Adam?
Oh, you're alright, mate. I was reading about why you should buy a BMW instead of an Alfa Romeo. We're here in a car known for its exquisite handling, ferocious power, and Italian reliability. Fancy seeing you here. So yeah, we're at the Crown Performance because on the way here, well, there's a couple of things. There's like a bit of a brake jump. We did a little drag up to about 150 just for fun, really, and then moderate braking. And the moderate braking seems to have warped the front brake discs, so I just want to kind of check things over. But more worryingly, there's like a there's a vibration when the car's not under load at all. So if you're not accelerating hard, bang it into neutral and it's like a whoop, 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 whoop. So I'm not an engineer, but I would guess I would say something to do with a prop shaft or one of the drive shafts, maybe a wheel bearing. I don't think it's wheel bearing, but I want someone that knows what they're doing to kind of check it out. So unlike in the UK, just called them, they said, yeah, bring it straight in, no problem, we get it sorted. So Crown Performance, good guys by the looks of it. Yeah, so this is why we've come to get the car checked over, because if you're not careful, stuff like this can happen. This was actually a crash that happened between, I believe this is a BMW M2, and it was with a Porsche GT3 RS, and the driver survived, the driver was okay, but, and it's a British car, right-hand drive, as you can see all the airbags went off. It's incredible to think that anyone can survive this. You can actually see the blood on the passenger side airbag over there, kind of a bit morbid. But as I say, the driver and passenger were both okay, but they ended up with a huge bill from the Nürburgring, or from the German state, I guess, because they had to pay for all the damage to the barriers. The car that they were involved with, they were deemed to be at fault. Whether that's right or wrong, I don't know. So they got to pay for that, and hospital, helicopter ride out. So yeah, to the hospital. So we don't want to be doing anything like that, and we want the car to be safe. So yeah, we're at Crown Performance and they're just checking it over now. It's about 7 o'clock, I think. The track's been open for an hour and there's just been a big crash apparently with a Porsche. We didn't see it because we weren't there, but hopefully everyone's okay. Just on the way to the digs anyway, so we've decided for this evening we're just going to run the car on the Grand Prix circuit because it's open. It's just a bit safer, but we've been to, we've chatted to Josh at Crown Performance, who is the mechanic there, rather good mechanic, and he's done a proper nut and bolt spanner check on the car, checked all of the stuff that could be wrong, and it all looks okay. So all he could really see is there's pad deposit on the discs, which is causing the brake judder. So yeah, I'll try and burn it off on the Grand Prix circuit, see if we have any success. Running a bit late, but we're going to get there in time. Oh, we're filming each other again.
Oh, good.
What are you doing, Dan?
Gearbox.
There's two there?
Yeah.
Which is the good one? Don't mix them up like we did with the engines for the Swift at Cadwell Park.
Don't do that. They're easy to distinguish, Adam, because one's a 5-speed and one's a 6-speed.
Oh yes, I can clearly see that.
Yeah, as you can clearly see.
That's obviously the 6-speed and that's the 5-speed, right?
Correct.
It's obvious just looking at them.
Yes.
I'm sold it here, mate.
Racing mode?
Yeah, you want it in race mode.
Why is it not going in race mode?
Because you got to turn it harder and hold it there.
Oh!
There you go. Just to explain a little bit here, the idea was that both me and Danny were going to drive around the Nürburgring Grand Prix circuit, and he was going to be a passenger with me, and I was going to be a passenger with him. Both of us hate being passengers. So, thinking I was being clever, I said, I'll tell you what, Danny, you go first. My thinking was that if I hadn't had the chance to scare him, he'd go a bit easier on me. But as it turned out, we missed the second to last session because there were motorcycles out. And so Danny was in the driver's seat, and short of physically removing him, is Danny driving.
Right, are we going to race with this BMW?
Well, I mean, you're Danny DC2, right?
Hello.
So it's not going to be much of a race, is it? I take it it's overtaking on both sides?
I don't know, actually. I just want to keep up with this M3.
Where are you going? Oh, you're doing lanes. Someone's spun already. GTA 6. Round the outside, come on.
I think you're supposed to overtake on the left.
Are you?
I think so.
Go on then, overtake then.
So we got an E-diff, have we?
I honestly don't know.
Whoa, is that S2000 just jumped down the inside? I'm not having that, mate. I am going to do you right now, right? That's it.
Oh god, here we go.
I'm not having that. I'm trying to play with the fucking M3.
I don't want to die, I don't want to die, I don't want to die. Oh my god.
So what tyres we want to get, Adam?
Davanti Pro Tourer Sport, what do you think? They're pretty good actually, aren't they?
We'll find out. Can't believe that S2000 just mugged us off straight away.
What do you mean us? You're driving, mate. Bit of brake judder there. Sure it's fine.
Does it get hot on track?
No. Fucking hell, Dan. We're getting flashed.
Yeah, no.
Audi R8. So it's a little kind of lively on the back, right?
It feels like it's got an open diff, Adam.
It does, doesn't it? I'm wondering if it's something to do with that torque vectoring issue.
So it does have a few slight mechanical problems, doesn't it, Adam?
Arguably. I mean, they've only just manifested themselves on the way here. It does feel like a completely
Definitely
open
got
diff.
a completely open diff, yeah.
What the hell? It wasn't like that at Donington. Yeah, maybe drive with that in mind, mate.
Oh yeah, don't worry. It's accounted for already.
I'm pretty sure this is not flat. This is going to be a balanced throttle. Yeah, thank you.
Thought about it. We got mugged off by that R8 now. Ooh, why is it brake judder, Adam?
What on earth is going on there? That's in the something in the car, isn't it? More than the brakes.
No, it's just brake judder. Well, that S2000's back with a vengeance.
Oh Jesus! What engine's he got in it? And you do know where to brake.
He's not got a turbo V6 though, has he?
You know we're in quite a fast car, old boy. You do have to brake at some point.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll clean the brake judder off just by braking really late and heavy. Oh, a little bit of abs.
Apex is over there, mate.
It's these fucking tyres, mate. Oof.
Well balanced car, right?
Be nice if I had a diff.
Causing some abuse, yeah.
Waiting for the front end to bite. Felt that S2000 mugs us off.
That's not a standard engine in that, is it?
Ooh, Adam.
You can literally see the, yeah. That's not ideal. I might have to get some new discs for it tomorrow. But
They might clean up, yeah.
yeah.
I'm gonna let him pass. It's pretty cool, actually.
It's Max Verstappen, isn't it?
It might be Max Verstappen. pardon.
It's getting worse and worse, isn't it?
It's not getting better, that's for sure. Can't believe we got mugged off by an S2000 in a Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio.
That's definitely getting worse. I mean, it's got decent pads on. It's got Brembo discs, the proper ones. The proper expensive.
Washer fluid is low, but I've got no power. Oh, I've got engine management light on.
We got the check engine again.
Yeah, what's that all about?
Like at Donington, it was the wastegate solenoids, something. So we changed it, and I thought we had fixed it. We did, as you saw, we did a good run on the road earlier, and it didn't come on.
How do you fix it?
I think you got to cycle the ignition.
Oh,
you might have to plug it in actually.
Should we just drive past James once more so we can get some
Yeah,
pictures?
yeah. Has it gone into limp mode?
It's not limp mode, but it's not got any power.
That's annoying.
Yeah, that guy in the Clio's alright. I spoke to him when I was in the MR2.
It's broken. I mean, it always works for me. What are you doing? You're burning out the starter motor, Dad.
I'm not holding it. I pressed it once.
Show everyone how the Ghost works so they can come and steal it.
Unkarren zu starten.
This is bollocks, isn't it?
I'd rather just have mechanics, to be honest.
Brake, go on, brake. Oh, it's fucked, isn't it? It is actually fucked.
Very cool, yeah? Very nice and cool. He said Hawaii, he said hello.
It did, oh, it's the same one.
Yeah.
His works though.
Yeah. He's driving away.
I mean, it will work. It will work, because it did that earlier as well. It needs me in the seat, I think.
Oh, okay.
Another one of my cars at the Nürburgring.
Oh, it will. What the fuck? Do you want to drive?
I told you, it needs me in the seat.
So we're back at the Crown Performance again in the morning. The poor old girl's not working properly, she's not well. So arguably the biggest problem is exactly what we had at Donington, which is the wastegate solenoid in bank B. We changed it, we thought it was fixed, tested it on the Autobahn, no problem, but as soon as Danny got his hands on it last night, it's not working, it's going into some kind of a limp mode again. But we've also got a new problem, which is automatic torque vectoring. So basically the car's got an E-diff, and at the moment it's completely open, so it's not ideal for track use at all. I mean, it's drivable with it, but it's not ideal. But arguably the most worrying thing is the brakes, which kind of like, they make the car shake more than I was before I went out with Danny on track yesterday. So we're going to try and get all three things fixed. Misha was due to be driving this car later today. I've emailed him just to say I don't think it's going to happen today. Also, it's freezing. It's like -10 or something. No one told me, so I'm wearing shorts. But yeah, we'll get it sorted, hopefully. And best case scenario, we'll get it back on track tonight, this time with Danny in the passenger seat, and see if I can scare him a bit.
What are you doing there, Adam?
Oh, you're all right, mate. I was reading about why you should buy a BMW instead of an Alfa Romeo.